Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you two lightning-fast ways to change number formats. First to currency, and then to accounting. Let's get started. Currency format with a shortcut. Here I have a spreadsheet with some names and numbers. But since column C and column E represent money, I want to make that clear by formatting them properly. The fastest way to apply currency format is with a keyboard shortcut. Click on column C to select the entire column. Hold Ctrl, hold Shift, and then press 4. Just like that, every number in column C is instantly formatted as currency. This is way quicker than going to the Home tab, finding the number group, and selecting currency manually. Accounting format trick. Now, some people prefer the accounting format instead of currency. Why? Because in currency, the dollar sign sits right next to the number, which can sometimes make it harder to read. Accounting moves the symbol out to the side, making the numbers line up neatly. Let's try this with column E. The only catch is, Excel doesn't have a direct keyboard shortcut for accounting format, but we can cheat the system using the Alt key. Here's how. Select column E. Press Alt, then type H, then A, then N, and finally press Enter. That sequence, Alt, H, A, N, Enter, switches the format of column E to accounting. Why does that work? When you press Alt in Excel, it shows you shortcut keys for everything in the ribbon. By pressing H, then A, then N, you're navigating through those options step by step until you land on accounting. Pressing Enter applies it. So technically it's not a built-in shortcut, but it works almost the same way, and it's just as fast once you memorize it. Quick recap: Control, plus, Shift plus, 4. Currency format, Alt H A N Enter. Accounting format. These two tricks will save you tons of time when working with numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post new Excel tips.